Marge announces mayoral campaign at breakfast table, voice steady, blue hair haloed by morning sun. She vows to fix crumbling town hall, confronting Quimby's sleazy grin and lip gloss again. Homer hears campaign and thinks camping and buys a gigantic food truck, beaming full confidence. Marge's face tightens. Lisa studies policy briefs. Bart plots pranks with sly grin and mischief. Ned offers awkward endorsements. Apu supplies samosas. Mo reluctantly loans tables for rallies and advice. Marge walks neighborhoods, hair towering like a moral beacon, waving at skeptical townspeople and reporters. Homer promises free fries, chanting democracy has fries baby, at rallies and donut diplomacy always. Bart makes prank calls to Quimby, impersonating reporters. Quimby's smile twitches dangerously again like always. Lisa leads policy meetings under oak tree, pushing green plans, saxophone melancholy during pauses softly. Burns schemes in shadowy plant office, funding a mysterious anti-Marge billboard. Smithers sighs very politely. Marge crafts honest speeches about potholes, library books, and neighborly decency, voice trembling beautifully always. Homer parks the truck beside Marge, sizzling odors drown out speeches. Crowd cheers fried compromise. At parade, a gargantuan sandwich float tips, sliding into Homer's truck with mozzarella slow motion. Oil and mustard slick send campaign flyers flying. Mrs. Crabapple ducks under a papier-mâché wheel. Homer exclaims dough as salads, slogans, and his dignity scatter across Springfield Square like confetti. Wig gum blows whistle, trips on bun, donut rains down, traffic helicopter low over chaos now. Lisa organizes kids and Flanders volunteers to mop oil with biodegradable sponges and stern lectures. Marge sits on couch, curling blue hair, confiding doubts to Maggie's pacifier and Homer sleepily. Homer tries apology tour, slurping fries and promises. Sincere clumsiness feels oddly moving to everyone. Burns launches eerie ad accusing Marge of banning donuts. Smithers hides a donut-guilty smile. Bart's prank call backfires, looping Burns admitting donut obsession, broadcast over town loudspeakers publicly. Homer's truck erupts into edible confetti burgers and mustard fireworks, raining ketchup like confetti everywhere. At open debate, Quimby slips on bun, Burns faintly smiles, Marge speaks calmly above splatter. Springfield citizens, sticky but laughing, shout for honesty, pancakes, and library funds instead of course. Marge wins narrowly, offering olive branch to Quimby and a council of diverse voices immediately. Homer converts his truck into a free community kitchen, handing out apologies and fries joyfully. Lisa teaches civic lessons at school. Bart volunteers to clean, smirking, occasionally sincere prank today. Springfield holds a sticky ribbon cutting. Flanders blesses. Krusty performs awkward juggling routine for the ages. Mo offers free drinks, insists they're celebratory, tosses in bartender's grief and loneliness with flair. The Simpsons embrace under Marge's blue hair. Maggie's pacifier squeaks. Town's lights twinkle like fireworks.